guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. I am wearing a braided wig. Okay, it is a braided, a deep wave wig. All right, so meaning they just braided the top part of the wig, which is the lace, and this part is not braided. It is, you know, curls. So I love this wig so much. It is a 10 out of 10. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. I am impressed. Okay, the quality is nice. It is nice and bouncy, and let me tell you, this wig is glueless. All right, let me show you. This wig is glueless. All right. I'm happy, you guys. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
Blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
These are all the goodies that Luvme Hair sent me. Now, straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. Okay, straight out of the box, the wig is braided, guys, but not entirely. Okay, they braided only the closure. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig, and they braided only this closure part, and it looks sensational. Look at that. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It is giving boho braids, obviously. All right, and let me show you guys. See, the lace just disappears. All right, it is nicely braided. Look at that. They did such a great job. It is a deep wave. The curls are, you know what, the curls are curling. It is moving. It is nice and bouncy. Let me show you guys how it looks inside. First thing first, this is very comfortable, so you can wear this all day. It is nice and stretchy. The wig cap inside, it is nice and stretchy. The wig has this adjustable branded band. Okay, and you know, your wig is not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna grip nicely because this is a glueless wig. Okay, it has two clips on the side, and of course one right here at the back. These clips are removable, so you can just see, remove it. Yeah, okay, this is nice. You know, it was nicely made, guys. Very nicely made. It is pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. Everything is 10 out of 10. So I'm going to try it on. I love the fact that it, guys, it looks so good. They did how many? Like, you can literally see the scalp. Look, you're going to be able to see my scalp. Look at that. It looks really good. The braids are nicely done. These are knotless braids. See that? They are neatly and nicely done. This is perfect. So I'm going to put it on my head, and yeah, let's see how it's gonna look. Okay, a glueless wig, right? It's perfect. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. A whole braids. Okay, I'm having braids. Are you serious? Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Straight out of the box, you guys. The wig came like this. Okay, pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. Nothing was done to this wig. Guys, what do you mean? Like, my December, I will be Decembering. I'm going to be Decembering with this wig, because what do you even mean? Like, I love this concept. I really love this concept. Boho braids with the twist, baby. I'm so happy, you guys. I am so happy. There is nothing to be done to this wig. Absolutely nothing to be done to this wig. Look at it, guys. Wow. I'm happy. Check the link in my bio. Get yourself this wig. You have to get yourself this wig. I really love it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. We are no longer going to be sitting for hours trying to braid our hair. Okay, we are going to just buy braided wigs from Luvme Hair Company because they are, look at me, like this is insane. This is top quality. This is amazing. It is nice and clean. Like it is perfecto. Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. So do check the description box. I do have discount codes for you guys, and yeah, I am happy. Okay, I'm really happy. Until next time, you guys. Bye.